How to auto-invest in Bybit. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto-invest in Bybit using the trading bot feature. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open your Bybit mobile app and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, go to the More option. Look for the Trading Bot option and tap on it. You'll now see several bot types like Futures Grid, Futures Martingale, Spot Grid, and DCA. For this video, we'll go with Futures Grid. Next, select the trading pair by tapping the small drop-down arrow at the top and picking the one you want to invest in. Now, choose your strategy. You can either use the AI strategy or manually enter your trading settings. After that, select your position type, neutral, long, or short. Then enter the investment amount you want to put into the bot. Tap on Advanced Settings if you want to manually enter your entry price, take profit level, or stop loss. Once everything is set, tap Create Now, and your auto invest bot will be up and running. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.